We are in very cold Delhi winters, about to enter 2025, but this is about what happened in 2024. Biryani continued to rule the roost, the true Sharma ji ka beta. Everybody is trying to be like biryani, but doesn't look like anybody is toppling it soon. So I'm here in a very fun episode to talk about how India Swiggied it. But don't worry, I'm not going to bore you with numbers, data, facts. This is going to be far more fun than that. We are going to bring in our very own Swiggy ambassador, the one and only Rocky. One of my colleagues is off camera and he's going to ask questions. But if we get it wrong, we have to eat a chili. Rocky is a resident expert in eating chili, so he'll eat on my behalf also. All right.
If the bell works,
Yes.
they both work.
All right, let's go for it.
Which city of India ordered the first biryani of 2024?
Kolkata.
Correct answer. Which dessert was one of India's most popular for a quick 10-minute delivery on Bolt?
Rasmalai.
Nice.
Ah, yes, I got it.
Okay, we are safe.
You know, this is good. I already heard it on online somewhere.
Yeah, it was part of the fun fact. Yes. You've been reading well.
What did Indians love to snack on the most? Potato fries, chicken roll, veg momos, or chicken shawarma?
Veg momo.
Incorrect.
No, I'm
Abhi,
fine. This is okay.
you're eating a chili and I'm not. I'm going to take a...
This is okay.
Take a cue. Abhi, wo director ne bola roll, so chicken roll. Is that the right answer?
Chicken roll?
Correct
Is that
answer.
the right answer?
A person in Bengaluru made an order worth 49,900. Which one of these was part of his order? Pizza, burger, sushi, or pasta?
Burgers.
Incorrect.
Pizza.
Incorrect.
Sushi?
Pasta.
Pasta for 49,000 rupees? That's a lot of pasta.
Yeah.
So chocolate है, खा लेते हैं. He picked the small one. Okay.
बहुत तेज है, बहुत तेज है.
Which one of these chocolate desserts was a certified favorite of Indians? Choco lava cake, chocolate truffle cake?
Choco lava cake.
Correct. Which Indian city had the most hush-hush incognito orders? Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore?
I go first.
Right, please.
Bangalore.
Correct.
Bangalore. मिर्ची खाने से तो बचे.
हाँ.
When did Indians order the most cake? Valentine's Day, Christmas, Mother's Day, or New Year's Eve?
It was me first, no? Christmas Day.
Incorrect.
Mother's Day.
Correct.
See, Mother's Day has seen the biggest spike in cake orders and gifts and everything last 2 years. So,
It's been incredible.
insane.
खाना पड़ेगा.
He also does illusion.
वो पहला वाला बहुत खतरनाक था.
ये वाला सही है. This you like to eat whole of it. You're good with,
नहीं.
like apparently vitamin C and all.
Very kind of you, but मैं इस इतने में ही खुश हूँ अभी. इतना ही खाना है.
Indians saved 533 crores with table reservations and deals on Dine Out. A Mumbaiker led the way with the most expensive outing. How much did it cost? 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, or 4 lakhs?
I don't know. Go ahead.
Oh no, ये तो guess मानना पड़ेगा. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs? 1 तो बहुत कम है. 4 बहुत. 3 lakhs.
Correct.
Hey!
A Delhi user led the way with the highest night order. He ordered 250 of what of the following? Chole bhature, pizza, burger, or momos?
छोले भटूरे.
Burgers.
Incorrect.
छोले भटूरे.
No.
अब तो बहुत आसान है.
Between burger and
Momo.
pizza.
Still wrong.
Well done.
We got we have 4 answers. And we answered 3 of them.
दोनों को खाना पड़ेगा इसमें.
Unbelievable.
Cheers.
What was it?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay.
250 pizzas. Well
मैं भी खाता हूँ.
done. Well done. ये होते हैं असली orders. Oh, मैं cheers करने आ रहा था. One more bite.
We have 4 questions to go.
Okay.
What is India's favorite breakfast dish? Dosa, paratha, sandwich?
Dosa, of course.
Absolutely right. India splurged on festival orders, but which of these stats is false?
False.
Almost 6 million biryanis ordered on Ramzan. Over 2 lakh modaks ordered on Ganesh Chaturthi. 11.4 million milk cakes ordered on Diwali. or a million plum cakes ordered in Christmas?
11.4 on Diwali.
Million plum cakes on Christmas.
Rocky wins it.
Oh yes!
Seriously? My
हाँ,
God.
11.4
That's a lot of milk cakes. Yeah.
It's not that much.
Okay.
चलेगा चल इतना तो बनता है इंडिया इतना तो बनता है. Suspense बहुत बढ़ रहा है. I'm trying to figure out how to cheat and stop your ringer.
Which train station saw the most food orders?
I know this one. Vijayawada.
Correct.
Vijayawada.
We launched there first. It is one of the most complex operations project because you have time according to the train, food order, D reaching there, and somebody taking it from there to the coach. It's fascinating.
अभी ये बताओ कि एयरक्राफ्ट पे कब होने वाला है ये?
वो थोड़ा time
Sky divers.
This is the last question, and you're on a tie.
My God.
5 each. Last question coming.
Stakes have to be raised, Rohit.
So what if you get it wrong?
If you get it wrong, you eat that. If I get it wrong, I'll eat this.
Done. Chalo. Okay.
Acha, ready?
Let's keep it here. Ready.
When did Indians order the most? Breakfast, lunch, evening, or dinner?
Dinner. Dinner slot is the peak sales slot.
And you got it right.
मैं भी डिनर बोलने वाला था.
अब चिली खा लो.
I think बनता है अब तो खाना.
अब तो खाना बनता है.
मिर्ची बहुत तेज होती है, लेकिन मिर्ची से एक ही चीज ज्यादा तेज है. अंकित भाई, मदद कर दो पहले से यार, ये तो बैंड बजने वाला है.
Why do you keep having milk? There's chocolate and ice cream.
Milk is best when you're feeling the burn.
So now that I've won with a huge margin of 1 point, this is all?
Oh,
There's no hamper?
apple biryani. Don't point it at me, Rohit.
Okay. So this is what I have. I think it's a party. What is it?
Party popper.
Party popper. I have not done this before. This sounds like fun.
He's still pointing at me.
I think we need to open this thing up. कुछ तो करना पड़ता है.
यो, मेरे को पता था हैम्पर नहीं मिलने वाला है,
ये चलता नहीं है.
इसलिए मैं घर से लेके आया था.
बहुत से खुलता है, कुछ ऐसा होता है. ये ऐसे नहीं चलेगा ये.
Oh, that's a party! To the champion!
So this is how India Swiggy did in 2024. How many of the questions did you get right? Leave it in the comments below, and anything fun you found. Meanwhile, I'll put this water to good use.
मिर्ची मुझे लग रही है, पानी मेरे को दे दो please.
He lost. He had a lot of mirchis. Go ahead.
Second with character.
All right.